你妈这个是 lie. I don't think you'll be happy. I also very you know. It's too dangerous.
We have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你给他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我有我。And my colonel want. 我现在过去行不行 ？You if I drive the car to said she fussy is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that India is our border meeting is 50.
好，你妈的给我别过！你跟他讲，
That point in
现在你妈给我过！我这有事情在你妈之前后边他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise that.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
reason raise. Okay, if we are given orders, if we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
want to
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
order.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
Go
sort.
back right. We will go right. And if we
have no
if I have any argument, you will undertake the hospitals, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India and China is friendly countries.
不想打这是不问。
We will go back, but the point is the way you are taking
你
over.
那讲我今天非打死吃不？
That's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If you don't want to
have
fight
some
each
miscommunication,
other.
see, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss.
做，
Okay,
老子不喜欢他们。
again, go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right
My
now.
colonel don't want
We
to.
are already going. Your vehicle that comes in front of us, that's why we stop.
你们今天
Otherwise,
我
we
非
are
打吃不？你就他妈的，我今天做了，他们给他讲，他妈的保证我不敢，今天他们都死等这地方。妈的！